Hi guys, welcome to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Coinbase account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Coinbase login. Once you make search, you'll find sign in on the top of your search list. Just click there. Now, as you can see, you're already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, or you can sign in with your passkey, with your Google, Apple, or with your wallet. Firstly, I'll sign in with my demo account and click continue and enter my password. In case you forgot your password, you can click here. If not, then just continue and log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.